Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and today I'm going to be doing some paneling. Yes, I'm going to be changing this bedroom and making it into a very French inspired bedroom. I know I have some grey wall paneling paper here which can easily in the corners, some of it can come off, but I am going to be showing you some wallpaper stripper. It's a very cheap wallpaper stripper device that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down in that description box. Please take a look, and it's really going to help you take your wallpaper off. I mean, immediately. This wallpaper that I have on this wall has got like 3 wallpapers on it. So it's going to help me. I know it looks easy at the moment, but you can see I'm not taking all of the paper off, and only the corners are coming off here. So the wallpaper is stripper is very cheap, but it is very effective, and I'll show you in this video. And also I'm going to be showing you all the changes that I'm going to be making to the bedroom. So this is the wallpaper stripper that I'm going to be using. It's pretty easy to set up. I've literally just got it out of the box. So this is the part that you will place on the wall. This is the bit where you obviously fill the water in, plug it in. They give you the hose as well. Obviously you're going to need that for getting to the high places. You'll need this tool definitely to scrape it all off. It definitely works a lot better when you use the steam wallpaper stripper. 2-year guarantee with this one. Definitely leave the links down below with links. So I've just marked on the wall where I want all the paneling. I'm going to call it a day, and I'll see you tomorrow. So I got some great deal on some paneling from eBay. I'm going to use my wood cutter, and I'm also going to be using a 45-degree angle cutter with a sword as well to help me cut all the panelings into size. Like I said, I made my measurements on the wall. So now, I'm going to be cutting the wood and making all of the paneling frames, and then get ready to stick them on the wall. So I will be doing this using the no nails glue, and as you can see I have stuck them on the lines which I have drawn on the walls, and I must say the no nails glue is definitely a good idea because they stick really strong and well. They're very firm, and I'm just gonna get along with this. I'm going to be using this filler that I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down to fill in all the gaps. And it's the end of another day, so I'll see you again tomorrow. So it's the next day and I am going to change out this chandelier. I'm not going to be taking it out of the wall. I'm not an electrician, but I'm going to revamp it. I'm going to paint it white. And the inspiration has come from these French style chandeliers. Just gorgeous, very light and very elegant. And I'm just going to be using some white chalk paint because I find this paint very easy to use and it's very good on different types of material. Let me show you the new white chandelier that I have in my lounge at the moment because I got the gold one replaced because it broke. So here is the chandelier and I've painted it white with the chalk paint. I think it's come up really great. Just need to put some little droplets on there. So like with any project, I like to get some inspiration. So I've been looking online and looking at bedrooms and the paneling and the colours, what they're using, just to get some inspiration for what I'm going to be doing and changing up my room. So I decided to go with a lovely blue and white, fresh, you know, definitely French style fabrics here. So this is the Charlotte and Thompson bed set. They also do the curtains as well. I've bought the curtains and the bed set, so everything will be matching. And I just love the blue and white floral. It's definitely a French style look. So I got that from Amazon. I can leave links down below for those. Also got extra 2 sets of pillows on their way as well. So I like this handy little tool here, just a scraper, because I did get some of the filler on the floors and it's coming off beautifully. So now we're prepping up for painting. So yeah, I've got my roller, my tray, and I'm using the Leyland Trade vinyl mat for ceilings and walls. And yeah, I've got all prepped up and I'm just going to be like cutting into the corners first and then rolling onto the walls. And I will also, on the wood, I'll be using a primer and also some wood paint. So yeah, so let's get started on painting. So I just want to thank everybody for watching, and this is now a few coats later. It's obviously getting very late now and very dark into the evening. Yeah, so catch up with me with more videos, because we're still going to be finishing this bedroom. I'm still going to be putting it together, still lots more to do. This video would go on and on and on if I carried it on, so I'm just going to end this one here, and then the next video will be obviously a continuation of this video and all of the next new updates, because I still have this side of the room to do, which hasn't been stripped of wallpaper and painted and panelled, and yeah, and also all of the accessories to put in the room and any other changes. So good, it's goodbye from me and goodbye from my cats. See you in the next one.